Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Simon. I'm going to be doing a product review on this washer and dryer from LG right here. I'll start off on the washing machine. Model number is WM4000HBA. This is the black stainless finish. So just as far as the look on the outside, around the door here, you might not be able to see in this lighting, but there's this rose gold accent on the door and also on the knob. The lighting's not perfect, but trust me, it's there. Really cool black stainless. That's not gray. We would classify it as black stainless. Taking a look on the inside of the dispenser right here, push that button down, the entire thing pops out. This can be removed. Basically this will filter through, and this has actually been ran because there's water in it, but it'll be ran and filtered out through the back pre-wash right in there as well. Recommended that every time you finish a cycle you kind of wipe all this out and make sure that there's no smell coming out of there as well. As far as the front panel and some cool features that it has, you've got steam cycles right down here on all of the left columns, and also the bright white cycle as well. You can also incorporate the steam fresh care. Delicate permanent press. Speed wash will give you a 15-minute wash on some smaller items. But speaking of speed, the washing machine does have this turbo wash feature, which is really cool. On the inside of the unit, I think it uses between 3 and 5 powerful wash jets to attack the clothes from every angle, as well as a regular cycle. So it'll say it'll do a normal load in about 30 minutes, which is a lot quicker than the average. And how it does that, it uses artificial technology, weighs out the clothes, senses how much of a longer of a cycle it would need to do, and it will do a fast wash for you, but still thoroughly clean all your clothes. Also, one thing that's really cool, the tap cold temperature that it uses, it is actually going to use some kind of technology in the machine where it acts just as well to clean your clothes as like a heated cycle would as well. Also, it does come with that 10-year warranty on the direct drive, which is basically like the heart of the machine, or the nucleus, if you will. So if anything went wrong with that, LG would give you the part to replace it on that unit. If you needed to clean out the filter, that's going to be down here. You can pull all this out, drain out the hose and things, and that would all come out as well. Also, something to note, if you look inside, the drum is tilted back. So the reason why that's helpful, it's going to be better for using the direct drive motor and efficiently using the machine. Also in the gasket too, it's got a nice split, so usually the gasket will overlap. This one, if you need to clean that out, it's going to be a lot easier than normal. Now, you also notice it says it's downloaded, so if you connect your smartphone to either one of these units, you can go on LG's Think app and you can download a cycle, and it'll say like baby clothes, or there's plenty of them, and you can look them all up and throw it on that downloaded cycle, and it'll run the cycle that's come from the manufacturer. So although it says that it's got this many, there's about 20-30 more waiting for you on the app as well. Now moving on to the dryer, the model number is DLEX4000HBA. Also, these both come in white, so there's a couple other options that you can get. The really cool thing about the dryer is it is a steam dryer, so you'd have to pay to get that installed, but it is really beneficial, especially right down here you've got the steam sanitary and the steam fresh cycle. So especially during the current climate with the coronavirus, you could be throwing your masks in here and getting a deep steam clean, sanitizing all those masks or whatever it might be, sanitizing bedding, towels, would work really well. Also, this does pair with artificial intelligence as well to balance the clothes and give the correct drying cycle. Also, there's like an ultra low dry, so that's almost going to act like way closer, way better for like your clothes instead of adding high heat. Also has an air dry cycle for the same kind of thing. Turbo steam will do you a 10-second pump of steam, so you can use that on all of these cycles right here, and it'll use a higher heated steam and to reduce wrinkles in your clothes as well. And then some general things, you've got a very basic lint trap right here. The Think app will actually tell you when you need to remove this and take out the lint. It does say clean after overuse, but the app will tell you. It'll also tell you when you need to run any kind of cleaning cycles on the unit as well. So yeah, that's all I have on these guys. Definitely check out what there is on the website, appliancefactory.com, to see what else we've got going on. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Online or locally, save at appliancefactory.com. Click the link to learn more.